SEMA 2022 is finally here, guys, and I am super stoked to be attending for the 8th year with SEMA and all our awesome partners and suppliers that we're going to see and network with. SEMA has been a part of us for the past 8 years because of the amount of people that we worked with, we got to know. One of my things that I get inspired about SEMA is all the awesome builds and the money that's put into these cars to show how much people love their cars and what is quality all about. It's 3 in the morning right now. We're in our HQ in California. We got to get on the road right now. It's about a 2.5 to 3 hour drive from Anaheim to Nevada. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get on the road. You already know, guys, if you don't got your coffee, especially 3 in the morning, you got to be ready to go on the road. Let's take you guys on this journey. We'll see you in Nevada. What's going on, guys? We just got here to the SEMA convention, Las Vegas Center. We're super excited. We picked up all our batches. Our staff is ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and grab a bite, get some food in our system, and we're ready to take off at 9 a.m. to 5 to go ahead and get the stroll started. I'll see you guys soon. Right next to me, guys, is a beautiful C8 full carbon fiber bumper to bumper Anderson Composites kit. This kit makes the car a lot wider, gives the Z06 look as well, and the appearance that it deserves. Let's dive into all the highlights and show you guys what we got going on in this beautiful C8. Guys, when I mean full carbon fiber, it's legit bumper to bumper carbon fiber. What's my favorite part about this? Just check out this front bumper right here with the double-sided canard, giving the Z06 look-alike bumper and giving it a lot more wider stance than the regular non-Z06 Corvette. All right, guys, let me take you guys to the back over here. As you can see, the rear appearance of this with the hatch, the spoiler, and the bumper. Check out this diffuser, a whole combination of carbon fiber, giving the entire car a full aggressive look. What do you think is missing here that we could potentially be working on? I think we might be spicing up the taillights, kind of spilled the tea a little bit with Auto Addict USA to make these taillights a lot more aggressive. Right next to me, guys, one of my favorite is the two-door Bronco entire kit that we painted PPG paint to work with this exact kit that the manufacturer wanted us to do. It came with the Halo carbon fiber door. It's a really nice aggressive appearance, very trendy, and on the top side of it, the carbon fiber hood that we paint matched the fenders to expose the vents right on the top where it shows. Obviously the car's a little bit lifted, so it's a little bit higher, so we're gonna get you guys some B-roll and highlights of this amazing carbon hood. All right, guys, check out these amazing Halo doors. It's literally all Halo. You can stick your hand inside to touch the seat. Very, very aggressive off-road usage only, but a really aggressive appearance to the car. PPG paint is something that we specialize in. We love painting nothing but PPG. We stay away from other brands because of quality and the finish that it gives to the car. This is a tri-coat that's very, very aggressive, and you had a mix match to make sure it matches the entire thing. Obviously, this hood is carbon fiber, so we blended it to the fenders to make this entire car pop the way it's supposed to be. This is probably one of my favorite Mustangs, especially being an OEM Mach 1 with carbon fiber composites. This thing's a collector pretty much, like the Z28 Camaros. Well, this is the Mach 1 Mustangs. Very, very aggressive. It's got the carbon fiber hood, the front lip splitter, the inserts on the front bumper, giving the car a very aggressive look the way it's supposed to be. Got a Mach 1, a C8 full carbon fiber, the Bronco project over there. Which one would I be taking home? Which one would you be taking home? For myself, I would go ahead and take the C8 home, 100% full carbon fiber. Can't go wrong with all carbon C8. What's going on, guys? We're officially back. It's our Anaheim HQ here in California. We are super excited. SEMA was a blast, guys. I mean, Tuesday all the way to Friday, going all out. We averaged almost 20,000 steps a day, and we didn't even finish everything that we had to finish. So SEMA is such an awesome experience, and it's finally good to be back and seeing the auto industry coming into one whole convention center globally with all the attention, the clientele, the manufacturers, the suppliers, and all the amazing dealers that we work with. Stay tuned. Mark your calendars. Auto Addict might be making an appearance next year for the first time ever in our company history to have an official booth at SEMA and displaying our awesome builds that we work with over here, such as carbon fiber, taillights, aerodynamics, conversion bumpers, and more. We can't wait to show you guys what we got going on. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog of taking you guys with us to SEMA, showing you the potential that you can potentially have your car out there repping Auto Addict USA. If you guys are excited, you guys want the work done, let's go ahead and get started right now. Plan our build for you guys to be ready for next year and see where the road takes us from there. SEMA 2022 all over. We can't wait to see you guys at SEMA 2023. See you guys.